Stop ruining your online business and start building funnels. If you want to make more money and stop struggling, then this is the perfect video for you. Because in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your first funnel today. No coding needed. And the best part about it all, it's completely free. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the very end, so you don't miss out on any of the details. And most importantly, take action, because that's the only way to be successful. If you guys are new here, welcome here. We talk all things business and entrepreneurship, so if that's you, consider subscribing. Okay, so let's get right into the video. The first thing you need to do is click the link below and sign up for a free account. Now when you sign up, you'll be taken to the home page and it will look something like this. Don't worry, you won't be creating anything just yet. We have to prepare first, so let's start from the top right corner and work our way down. The first thing we want to do is go over to your profile icon and make sure you fill in all of your information. This will help us track everything in the future. So once you're done there, come back to the home page and click on Pages. From here, we want to add a new page, so click the blue button and you can either name it Offer or Sales Page. It doesn't really matter what you name it, just keep in mind where you put it. In other words, don't go creating random pages that don't make sense, because it will cause confusion later on. Once you have the page created, click on Edit to open the editor, and this is where you'll spend most of your time. Once you've finished building your offer page, you want to go ahead and duplicate it. This is optional but highly recommended. That way you have a copy of the original in case you want to make any changes or revert back to an earlier version. To duplicate a page, simply click on the page, then click on the three dots, then select Duplicate. It's that simple. Next, you'll want to rename the page to something like Thank You. Again, this is optional but helps with organization. After that, we want to duplicate the Thank You page to create another exact copy. Now at this point we have two pages, one being the offer page and the other being the Thank You page. What we need now is a way to connect them. And this is where the funnels come in. So to add a funnel to your pages, you want to go to the top left corner and click on Funnel. Then click on Add Funnel. You'll then be presented with this dialog box, which you can either select one of these options or deselect them all by clicking the checkbox on the top left. I'll go with option 1, which is a basic sales funnel. Then click on Create. As you can see, a new funnel has been added, and you can tell because it says New. Now all we need to do is drag and drop the pages into the funnel. So I'll take the offer page and drag it into the entrance. Then I'll take the Thank You page and drag it to the bottom or the exit of the funnel. Now we have a complete funnel, but it's not connected. So to connect the pages within the funnel, you want to go over to the Settings tab, then go to Connections, and then simply drag and drop the pages into the correct position. Then click on Save. Now let's say we want to add another page to our funnel. Well, you can easily do so by going to the plus icon under Pages and selecting the type of page you want to add. In this case, I'll go with an email, but regardless of what you select, simply drag and drop it to the desired location within the funnel. And this is just the beginning. You can add multiple pages to your funnel, including email, autoresponders, webinars, and even affiliate offers. Plus, you can add additional funnels to your account, each with their own pages and email sequences. In conclusion, funnels are the best way to generate leads and make more money online by using Systeme.io. You can easily build a high-converting funnel in minutes without having to code or design anything yourself. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account and start building your first funnel today. Now that you know how to build a funnel, it's time to learn how to create your first email. So make sure you check out the next video where I'll show you exactly how to do that. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment below to let me know which video you want to see next. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one. See you guys in the next video.